The Entertainment Society of Goa announced the film finance scheme for the films produced in Goa from 1st January 2016 till 31st December 2017. Addressing a press conference, Vice Chairman of ESG Rajendra Talak informed that this scheme is applicable for feature films in Konkani and Marathi and non-feature films in Konkani, Marathi, Hindi and English. He further informed that all films must have English subtitles and censor certificate issued between 1st January 2016 to 31st December 2017. The application for the said scheme will be accepted till 27th August 2018.
Entertainment Society of Goa invites the application for film finance scheme for the films produced between 1st January 2016 to 31st December 2017. The scheme is applicable for feature film in Konkani, Marathi and non-feature film in Konkani, Marathi, English and Hindi. All films must have English subtitles and censor certificate issued between 1st January 2016 to 31st December 2017. For feature film, grants will be 50 lakhs for A category, 30 lakhs for B category and 10 lakhs for C category, or 50% of the total expenditure as per audited statement and income tax return filed, whichever is less. For non-feature film, a grant of 10 lakhs rupees for A category, 5 lakhs for B category and 3 lakhs for C category, or 50% of the total expenditure as per the audited statement and income tax return filed, whichever is less. This grading will be done by the evaluation committee consisting of not more than 5 members of film fraternity outside Goa, as may be constituted by society with the approval of state government. The films which are not coming under A, B, C in feature as well as in non-feature film category will not be entitled for any grant. For eligibility and application forms for this financial scheme, kindly refer the official gazette series number 1 Roman number 32 Panji 10th November 2016, which is uploaded on our website www.esg.co.in. The last date of submission entry will be Monday 27th August by 5:30 p.m.
Bureau Report, Don Bosco Channel.